Hello, hello. Welcome everybody to a September 13th gold analysis. This is gold analysis for next week. I used to do this back in July, near the end of July, early August, but then the website took precedent. But now I'm going to keep this on a continual basis, try to give a analysis for the start of the week, try to play the intra-week moves. We had a pretty good week last week from Monday to Friday, right when we launched. Pretty solid trading days. Hope to continue that. This week's going to be interesting. There's Fed minutes and everything else. So first, let's get started with this. It's a nice wedge going on here. I'll give a shout out to my good buddy Dylan for this. He made me aware of this wedge that was being formed, but he made me aware about this like early September, and it's actually been respecting that. We had a long on Wednesday, and we had a long on Thursday up to this upper end of the channel. And then on Friday, we also had a long. We played a short and a long that day. Other than that, it's pretty clear. But what I like to do is go from top down. Big bull run up, doji last month, indecision, and now it's indecision too. Weekly, you could see that weekly run up and then this tight wedge getting tighter and tighter every day. When you go down to daily, same thing. You got this supply zone, this liquidity zone that was formed. You have the upper end of the channel. You have the lower support, the 2. And then you have the upper area once it breaks, and then the lower area if it breaks down here. So there are targets. You get a wick fill down here, and then you could potentially get a target back to the highs, obviously going to levels. So it probably hit like 2,000 first, and then the upper level up here eventually, maybe new highs too. You never know. So we'll just keep those in there, have it faded out. So that's what we're looking for on gold. Pretty easy, pretty well defined. If you go down to the 4-hourly, you can see that wedge is being formed, even on the true 4-hourly. So that wedge is being formed pretty nicely. I mean, you just got to play intraday moves. You could see a sell-off to start the week. Let's say if it breaks right here, it's probably going to head lower. And I think that move is pretty nice if you get like 1936 to 1926. Good 100 pip move. We'll be watching that one for sure. I'm going to actually make the thing based off the hourly. I can't zoom in like that. Okay, whatever. We'll do it like that. So we'll have short plays in there. And then obviously we got the 2 channels if it breaks above that channel, and then if it breaks below this channel. You can see easily this level being tested, and then up here go to the 2,000 level, and then up to the highs again. So we'll see how that plays out. Right now, I'm trying to get this whole wedge in here if I can. Just do it like that for now. Yeah, I'll make it like that, and then I'll put the daily on as well. Other than that, I think we just check out news. This is basically the news for the week. Core retail sales. It starts on Wednesday, so Monday, Tuesday is going to be slow. I think it's going to be like up and down. It might be kind of indecisive, a lot of fake outs, a lot of choppy movements until you get the real move. I mean, you might get like a quick move like this or a quick sell, but other than that, kind of be careful with it. What I'm expecting and how I'm going to trade it is if it breaks this level right here, I do expect it to hit the 1925 kind of range. And then we're going to get tighter in the wedge. And when we get tighter in the wedge, and then I think Wednesday when the FOMC minutes comes out, you're going to get your true trend, whether it be up or down. It's building up pretty nicely till then. And even Dylan said like the buildup is pretty big. I mean, it's been going on for about a month and a half now. So with that buildup, you're going to see a nice move either to the upside or downside. I think be careful of both moves and kind of go with the trend, really. That's simple as it gets. Go with the trend. So right here, I'm going to put an intraday move. Breaks below 1937. Whoops, 37/1936. Easy move to 1925 area. Is getting tighter and the build up is getting stronger for a breakout towards either side on Wednesday for FOMC. Let's put Fed minutes. Fed announcement. Whoops. There we go. There we go. And then once again, break above this wedge. Easy longs to 2000. Potentially above that level to retest highs. New highs. There we go. Pretty simple analysis, but just helps me get prepared for the week. Potential break below. So this is the hour chart. We got the intraday move here, and then we got the break above and then the break below. So I'm actually going to save that. Put that on the blog later. And now we're going to do a daily one as well. And when we go to daily, we'll keep that there. We'll put this right here. And then we'll put the break above over here. Basically it, because we could test these levels. There we go. I'm gonna just put this tidbit here. And that's only going to be after the Fed announcement. So I feel like after Wednesday, the move is going to happen. So let's keep that there. As for the news, I'm going to put all this news in there. Move this on my other screen and put all the news here. Let's go Monday and Tuesday. No news. 6. And then 12 o'clock, you got announcement. There we go. Thursday. What time is that? Manufacturing index. And unemployment claims. Friday. So all the news for the week. We'll make this nicer, kind of spread this out. There we go. So those are all the news. I think on Wednesday you're gonna get the break towards either side, the intraday move. If it breaks below this, I think it will. You're gonna test 1925 area. So that's the intraday move I'm gonna play below the daily low from Friday. Continue down. Wedge is gonna get tighter, and then it'll break out to either side. Pretty simple analysis, pretty quick. I mean, we had this wedge playing out for around 2 weeks now. If you were following the live streams or since the website went live, you could even check that out as well. But yeah, other than that, I hope everybody enjoyed this quick gold analysis. We'll be doing this more. We'll have more simulations every week now too. Couldn't get a simulation this weekend, but simulations are good for practice and practicing strategy, seeing if your ideas play out as well. But other than that, hope everybody has a great Sunday. Football's on today, first Sunday. Hope everybody enjoys that and good luck. Have a good day.